Hello and welcome all of you. I am Dr. Sanaullah Khan, a dedicated acupuncture specialist in traditional Chinese medicine and holistic healing practices. My passion lies in helping individuals to achieve optimal health and balance through natural methods. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you where you will explore a profound world of acupressure and its transformative benefits by curing any disease with a management of one or two acupressure points.
Today we are going to discuss about arrhythmia, any abnormality in the starting portion of the heart stroke, heart rate and rhythm, or cardiac conduction is called arrhythmia. In arrhythmia, tachycardia, bradycardia and irregular heart rate are more common. It belongs to the categories of palpitation. Acupressure point recommended to cure this ailment is NAG1 PC6, which is the sixth point on the pericardium channel. It is located on the palmar side of the forearm on the line connecting PC3 and PC7, pericardium 3 and pericardium 7. Two cone or two thumb widths above the crease of the wrist between the tendons of long palmar muscle and radial flexor muscle of the wrist. You have to apply pressure with the help of your thumb or the index finger, or even by using a wooden stick with one end rounded. Apply gentle pressure for at least 2 to 3 minutes twice or thrice a day.
Thank you very much for being part of this session on acupressure and its profound impact regarding restoring balance and promoting healing. I hope the insights shared today have enhanced your understanding of this ancient practice and its benefits. If you have any question or wish to explore this topic further, feel free to reach out the comments and contact me directly. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe to stay updated in future discussions about holistic health and power of acupressure. Wishing you harmony and wellness until our next sessions. Take care of yours. Very good by yourself.